The Harris County Precinct 4 Constable's Office says it has refiled more than 200 cases against criminals they say were wrongly dismissed by judges earlier this year.
Tonight, Constable Mark Herman points to too many dismissed cases fueling crime in the county.
Our Marcelino Benito taking a closer look at the data tonight. Marcelino?
Mia, before the DA's office accepts any charges, they have to ensure there is probable cause. Well, now law enforcement says more and more judges are deciding there isn't enough evidence and dismissing a lot of those charges. And in many cases, those suspects are accused of violent crime.
This emboldens the criminals.
Tonight, Constable Mark Herman sounding off 434 Precinct 4 cases dismissed by judges, citing lack of probable cause.
Many times these suspects are out of jail before our guys even finish their paperwork.
Herman says he's taken deputies off the street to help refile hundreds of cases that he believes should have never been thrown out.
So there's a variety of cases from violent to nonviolent. There's so many cases, there's no way we can file them all because I don't have the manpower to do it. But we're filing as many as we can, and so are other agencies.
Data provided by Precinct 4 shows of the 434 cases dismissed, more than 70% of them are misdemeanor offenses. It does include 127 felony charges, including 44 domestic violence-related assaults.
And they know damn good and well there's plenty of probable cause there and enough to get a conviction.
KHOU legal analyst Carmen Rowe reviewed the data provided by Precinct 4.
The judges who dismissed most of the cases that we're seeing from Precinct 4, looking at the numbers, reflect some of the most experienced judges in our criminal courthouse.
She says probable cause is a pretty low bar to meet, and if judges are dismissing the cases, they're finding insufficient evidence to move forward.
There's a number of people playing a role in these outcomes, and so to suggest that one actor is responsible is just not true.
So far, Precinct 4 tells us they've refiled 220 cases and counting.
We need our courts to get off their rears and start prosecuting some of these cases.
For full disclosure, we should mention we're about a month away from Election Day, and Constable Mark Herman has come out and endorsed the Republican candidate running for Harris County Judge. I asked him about that today, and he says this has nothing to do with politics. If you'd like to see the data for yourself on what cases are being dismissed and by what judges, it's up on KHOU.com right now.